Hello everyone. In this session, we have to learn the logical instruction, then rotate instruction and shift instruction. So, in the previous session, we already learned the arithmetic instruction. So, we have uh, we have to see here the logical instruction, which are which instruction are comes into this category. We have to understand that. So, let us start now. The topic logical instruction. The instruction of this group perform the logical operations like AND, ANDing, ORing, XOR, NOT, and test operation. Means logical instruction group perform the logical AND, OR, XOR, NOT, and test operation. The following instruction comes under this category. Here, the instruction are given here, and their description also given here. The first instruction is AND instruction. AND. It performs the bit by bit logical AND operation of two operands and places the result in the specified destination. AND. It performs the bit by bit logical AND. AND means AND, but it performs the bit by bit logical ANDing operation on two operands and place the result into the specified destination. Second is a OR operation or instruction. It performs the bit by bit logical OR operation of two operands and place the result again into the specified destination. XOR. It performs the bit by bit logical XOR operation of two operands and place the result in the specified destination. Now, NOT instruction. XOR instruction. It performs the bit by bit logical XOR operation of two operands and place the result in the specified destination. What is XOR operation? Means if the number are similar, then it perform uh, it generate the output 1, and when they are dissimilar, when both the bits are dissimilar, then it gives the output 0. Like that, it perform that this instruction perform the operation. That operation is called as a XOR operation. It perform the bit by bit logical XOR operation of two operands and place the result in the specified destination. In a NOT operation, it takes one's complement of the content of specified register or a memory location. Means it complement the content. Means it convert the opposite content of the specified register or memory location. Now, another instruction is a test instruction. It performs the logical AND operation of a specified operand with another specified operand. It performs the logical AND. Logical AND means both the condition are true or not. It check or it tests the condition. It tests the instruction. Okay, so these are the instruction which are coming under the logical instruction category. So AND means what? ANDing means if we multiply one bit to the 0 bit, then it gets 0. Only whenever both the bits are 1 1, then it can perform the ANDing operation and it provide the output 1, otherwise 0. OR operation, when both the signals are 0, then it gives the output of 0, otherwise every time it provide output 1. XOR already I told you. NOT, it perform the complement. Test, it perform the logical AND operation. Means logical AND, if there are two condition, we have to check When both the condition are true, then it can test or execute the code. Like that, instruction perform this operation on a specified operand or with another specified operand. Now we have to study the next instruction set, that is a rotate instruction. These are the very important instruction. Rotate. The following instruction come under this category. The instruction RCL means rotate all bits of the operand left by specified number of bit through the carry flag. RCL means rotate all bits of the operand left. Rotate all bit of the operand at the left side by specified number of bit through carry flag. With carry flag. Rotate all bits with at the left side with carry flag. We can see that. Now RCR, it rotate all the bits of operand at the right side by specified number of bits through the carry flag. ROL rotates all bit of the operand left by the specified number of bits. Rotate all bits of the operand left by specified number of bits. Now ROR again rotate all bits of the operand at the right side by specified number of bits. ROL and ROL. L means left side and R means right side. You rotate all the bits at right side by the specified number of bits. So these are the rotate instruction generally used, mostly used in a program. There are four instruction are there, that is RCL, RCR, ROL and ROR. So now we have to again study another instruction set, that is the shift instruction. The following instruction comes under this category, means it's shift instruction category. First instruction is a SAL or SHL, means shift is for shift. Shift is bit operand left. SAL means shift each bit of operand at left side by the specified number of bits and put 0 in a LSB position. And put 0 in a LSB position. We know that the LSB and MSB means most significant bit and LSB is a last significant bit. So here SAL shift or each of the bit of operand by left side, and how it process, it it put the 0 at the LSB position of the register. Okay, that is both SAL and SHL. Shift left or shift all operand or each bit of the operand left side by the specified number of bits and put 0 in the LSB position. Now SAR, shift each bit of any operand at the right side by specified number of bits. Copy old MSB into new SB. SAR instruction, shift each bit of any operand at the right side by the specified number of bit, as well as it can copy the old MSB into new MSB. ओल्ड MSB या ठिकाणी नवीन MSB मध्ये कॉपी केले जाते SAR instruction. त्याच्यानंतर आहे SHR. It shift each bit of operand right by specified number of bits and put 0 in MSB. SHR, shift each bit of operand at the right side by the specified number of bits and put 0 in the MSB position. Put 0. SHR. Okay. Now that's it about this command. Uh, Now there is a time, so we must see the branch instruction here, or branch instruction on right, string instruction. So here we see the string instruction. What is the string instruction? String is a series of bytes. String means series of bytes or a series of words that stored in a sequential memory location. Strings are what is strings? String is a series of bytes or series of words which are stored in a sequential memory location. Which are stored in a sequential memory location. The 8086 provides some instruction which handle the string operations such as string movement, comparison, scan, load, and store. So we have to remember it. Remember these operations. The string instruction can handle, or string operation can handle the movement of string, comparison of string, scanning, loading, and storing. The following instruction come under this category. So we have to study here the string instructions. Move S oblique move SB or move SW. This instruction moves the 8-bit or 16-bit data from memory location addressed by SI register, means source index register, to the memory location addressed by DI register. DI register means destination index. Source index register and destination index register means this instruction, this string instruction is used to move the 8-bit or 16-bit data from the memory location addressed by SI register, which are addressed by the SI register, to the memory location addressed by DI register. Means we can simply say that we move the data here from SI register to DI register, that is source index register to DI register, in the form of 8-bit data or 16-bit data from memory location. So second instruction is CMPS or CMPSB or CMPSW. It compare the content of memory location. It compare the content of memory location addressed by DI register with the content of memory location addressed by SI register. Means string instruction command perform the operation on source index or destination index. Here also it compare the content of memory location which are addressed by the DI register with the content of memory location of SI register. Means DI to SI register content are compared here. We can compare here. We can compare the content of memory or memory location addressed by DI register. Content of DI register with the content of SI register. So next command is SCAS or SCASB oblique SCASW. Again, it compared the content of accumulator with the content of memory location addressed by DI register in the extra segment register. It compare. Now last is a loads or loads B, loads W. It loads the 8-bit or 16-bit data from memory location addressed by SI register into AL or AX register. Here we load the 8-bit or 16-bit data from memory location to AX register, that is SI register to AL or AX register. So that's it about the string instruction. I hope you will understand, but you have to study this topic Okay, now we will stop here. We stop here and